Hello students, welcome to a new video of class 10 mathematics circle video 3 parts of video 2 on concepts. If two circle are touches to each other, this is touches externally, this is touches internally. Radius capital R, small r, radius capital R and radius small r. OP. Suppose touch at M. So both having a common tangent, just like this. And OP, distance between two center is R plus R, and the distance between two center is R minus R, and the common tangent is this. This concept used in very more questions, and you have to use to solve the question. Okay, tangents, they always make right angle on both sides. They also write right angle, and this OP means capital R minus small r. So pause this video, note down. Let's see this part. If two tangents drawn from an external point, tangent PA and PB are drawn from external point P, a circle of center O radius R, PA and PB are two tangents from P. To prove that, first part and second part. First part is angle subtends at they subtend equal angle at center, means tangent subtend means PA and PB. PA and PB subtend equal angle at center, means if we join this line and this line, so this angle, this line and this line make this angle are equal, means angle POA is called angle POB, and they equally inclined to the segment joining the center of the point, means this line inclination means this and this dhal, these angles are equal, means angle APO is equal to angle BPO. This is not a theorem, this is a very simple question. Simply we take triangle APO and triangle BPO and prove that triangle congruent. Same process. Angle PAO is equal to angle PBO, each 90. PO is equal to PO, common side. AO is equal to BO, radius of circle. So triangle APO congruent triangle BPO by RHS congruency. When triangles congruent, so by CPCT corresponding parts are equal, means angle POA is equal to angle POB, angle APO is equal to angle BPO by CPCT. Corresponding parts are equal of congruent triangles, means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. This angle subtended by tangent at a center, and this equally inclined, this inclination and this inclination. Okay, pause the note down. This question is very easy. Prove that two concentric circle, the chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisect at the point of contact. Means two concentric circle. O. Chord of the smaller circle touches the circle of smaller circle. Sorry, chord of the big circle. Given AB is the chord of big circle. Touches at P to small circle. Means this AB is the tangent for small circle. This is the radius. So prove that AP is equal to PB. Means this point of contact bisect the chord. Very easy part. If I say AB is the chord and OP is perpendicular on AB because tangent make right angle. So from class 9 theorem, AP is equal to PB. What theorem? Perpendicular from center to chord bisect the chord. Solve it. Okay? Pause window down. Next question. 9. In a given figure, what's the figure? XY and XY dash are two parallel tangent. O is center of circle. AB with contact of point C intersecting XY at AB. Means AB is the tangent with touches at AB and circle at C. So prove that angle AOB a circle of center O radius are XY, X dash, Y dash and AB are tangents. So prove that angle AOB 90. These are given. So we want to prove them. Join. Suppose that PQ one, two, three, four. Let construction की join PO, OC and OQ. Angle POA is equal to angle COA because PA and AC are tangent. We explained that this is a tangent, this line joining, so these two angles are equal. We already proved in the previous theorem. So these two angles equal. Similarly, means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Here QB and BC are tangent. POQ is a straight line, because if this is diameter, so they are the parallel. So if they parallel, so this is diameter, we already proved. If this is a straight line, so angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180. 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 4. We want AOB contain 2 and 3. So 2 same, 3 same. We replace 1 and 4. 1 equal to 2 and 4 equal to 3. So 2 angle 2, 2 angle 3, 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3, 180. So angle 2 plus angle 3, that means AOB 180 by 2, that means angle AOB is equal to 90. If you see, very small theorems are very good concepts, and no other outside concept, no other hard concept, only the external points, tangents, 90, and the question solved. Pause it, note down.